Na-miss ko yung feeling na nag-uusap lang tayo, chill lang, nagjo-joke. The night we met, hindi tayo broken dito. 11:30 pa lang, oh. Mga ganyang kanta, ano na yan? Pang 2 AM na yan. Good Riddance Deluxe! Grabe kayo! Ayaw niyo ba maging masaya minsan? Hoy! What the fuck? Mark, okay ka lang ba? Mark, okay ka lang ba? Seryosong tanong to. What the... Mark! Mark, I'm speechless, bro. Marky, I love you. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. Wait lang. 30,000 yan? Mark! Thank you! Bakit? Mark, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you, pero bakit? Pero thank you, pero bakit? Thank you, I love you. Wow! I love you, Marky ko. Thank you, ha. Grabe, 30,000. Ang aga, ha. Parang nahiya na akong umalis, guys. Quick live lang talaga to, eh. May pang vacuum na! Oh my gosh. Thank you. Di ko to in-expect. Thank you guys so much. Thank you everyone. Happy bro. Oh nga, sayang hindi kami nakaline ni Sai. Pero Marky, thank you ha. I appreciate you so much. I love you. Thank you. Mag-spill ka na daw ng chismis? Kaya pala. Kasi guys, nag-joke ako kagabi. Nandun ata si Mark nun. Sabi ko, kasi diba, I work in the industry, ang dami kong chika. Tapos sabi ko, guys, mag-name drop ako if magda-drop kayo ng 10,000. PM na lang kita kaya, Mark. PM na lang kita. Thank you, Ina. Thank you, everyone. Guys, come on. Don't do that to me. uh, 30K yun! Yung Lion, grabe! Nickname reveal? Alam mo, papaalam muna ako kay Sai. Actually, hindi naman yung nickname namin. Lalo pa yung nickname ko sa kanya. You know what? I'll do it. Because it's 5 months. And because mahal ko talaga si Mark. Guys, mag-thank you muna tayo kay Mark kasi may nickname reveal na tayo. Wait, hinapin ko dito. Edit ko muna. Joke. In-edit pa, no? Guys, huwag kayong mag-expect. Cutie-cutie lang yung name namin. Poopy. Very high school, sorry. Sorry, guys. Yan na. It's not super, it's not like lovey-dovey, which is what you guys are expecting, no? Ano name niya sa'yo? Drop na kayo ulit. Wag na yung nickname ko, basta yung gusto niyo, 'di ba? Nickname ko kay Sai. Ayan na. Yun yung promise ko, 'di ba? Mark, thank you. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Bunsoy. I love you, everyone. Happy 5 months sa atin. 30 minutes na lang. Lakas makamaris at Anthony ah. Sino? Sino? Sino ba si Maris? Poopy, yeah. Yun yung nickname namin, Poopy. 1989, a Reputation. Ooh, Reputation, I think. Reputation. Poopy. Ba't marang Hala! Kayo talaga ha! Ginawa ko to para sa inyo, tapos... You guys made sumbong ha? Kala ko this is just between us. I can trust you guys talaga. Ano ba?
That's so cute.
So may that's so cute. Ano daw?
That's so cute.
Papi, ang dami nagko-comment Papi. Hindi talaga Papi.
Don't worry. Ipang-date na ulit kami.
Dito ka pa Iloilo? Yes, I'm in Iloilo pa. Para alis ako pa Boracay bukas. And then pagbalik ko, 2 days lang ako dito and then baka magsa-Cebu or uwi na diretso Manila. Umay na ako dito sa Iloilo guys. Poppy comments sila, di ba? Ewan ko sa inyo. Sayang naman yung 30k ni Mark. Mali pa. May pang-date. Yeah, I heard. Naka-CCTV ako eh. Sa Boracay ka mag-New Year? Yes, I'm so excited. Sino ba nasa Boracay ngayon? Sino ba magbo-Boracay guys? End of the year. Magkita tayo. Why Poopy? Wala. Saya and I tease each other a lot, like stupid names like that. And then one time I called him, okay, Poopy. And he was like, Poopy? And we just kept laughing about it. And then it became an inside joke. Ganun. Naging inside joke na lang siya with us when we were teasing each other. I think it happened, I'm not really sure, pero I think it happened nung time na nag-baby talk ako sa live. Tapos sinitease niya ako na, nagbe-baby talk na sa live, ganun. And then sabi ko, I think I called him like a name, like a baby name. And then he called me a baby name then. And then I said like, okay, Poopy. Ayan. Naging funny na. That's just name pang baby girl. Like sa child mo. Oop. Ang weird talaga ng shuffle ko guys. Random yung music. Girl name, you know what I want my kids to be named? Pag lalaki, I want it to be Alexander. Doesn't that sound so nice? Alexander to you. And then pag girl, Alexandria. And then if I have another boy, it's gonna be Alistair. Alistair and Alexander, Alexandria. I had another girl name. Ano yung girl name other than Alexandria ulit? A din yan eh. I like A names. What was the girl one? Amelia ata? Something like that. Amelia, yeah. Alexander. Hi, hello, Alexander. Hello. But yeah, Alistair, Alexander, Amelia, and Alexandria. For your baby sister. Pwede din Fiang. Kayo talaga. Oh my God. And I miss the way you make me feel. Yeah, I love the name Alex. I love A names. I like British names actually, guys. I don't really like Filipino names. Like Love Marie. Feel ko hindi yan bagay for my kids. Kasi sobrang Pinoy na yung name ko eh. 'Di ba? Joaquin Felipe yung name ko. Sobrang Pinoy Spanish vibes. So, feel ko for my kids, I want to be British inspired. Yeah. Ashley Sophia, name ni Fiang. Ayan, Ashley Sophia Smith. Hold on. Ayaw mo bang Azariela? Oh, that's a nice name. Gracie. And I miss the way you make me feel. Sino ba may song request dyan? Ito. I like this song. Allison. Pwede din. Taylor Allison. Messi? Okay, let's do Messi. Ang dami nagre-request ng Messi. Cue ko after this song. Kasi I like this song. Ang ganda ng bagong album ni SZA. It's so good. Have Abby? Sige, cue din natin Have Abby. Guys, hanggang 11:45 lang ako ha. Elmer, thank you. Subo mo to. Subo mo to. Subo mo to. Enjoy with the cousins. Thank you. Make it 12:10. Inaantay na ako eh. I wasn't gonna live today, but I just wanted to say hi to everyone. Kasi alam ko magla-live din si Sai. Kamusta naman Christmas niyo? Aya, you're here! Aya, I miss you! I don't see you sa lives ko! Straight ka ba talaga, Waki? Yeah, guys, I'm straight. Super. Straight as ever. Mas straight pa sa tatay mo. Aya, what happened? Why are you so quiet? I miss you. Straight to the point. I'm Sim. Nadamay tatay. Thank you, amin lang si Sai. Hailey, wag kang mag-ano-ano dyan ha. Move on ka muna. Nag-comment. Diba, nag-comment pa si Hailey sa amin na ni Sai. Hoy, Hailey. Mag-move on ka kaya muna. When will you be back? Sa Manila, January 5. Pero baka magsa-Cebu, so hindi ko pa alam. Kasi January 15 pabalik ng classes namin. So medyo may ano pa. May time pa ako. So baka I wanna travel din. Kasi sure na ako pag nagbalik na yung classes, hindi ako makaka-travel, makakagala ng masyado. Ganun. End streak muna, Hailey. Oh, Sim! Na-block na. Hailey, I'm proud of you. Na-block na ni Hailey. Sorry, Hem. Miss you. Mag-Cebu ka na. Yeah, I'm gonna chat you talaga when I go to Cebu, ah. I'm gonna be with, my friends. Taka Cebu. Ang dami kong, viewers taga Cebu. Super. Kaya gusto ko talaga mag-Cebu so I can meet you all. Straight pala eh. Pwede na si Jack and Sai. Paano si Debbie? Iyak yan. Kinsay no more, no na po. Wala na. Sorry. 'Cause I'm too messy, and I'm too fucking clean. Why I meet fans sa Iloilo? You know what, guys? I really want to meet everyone in Iloilo. It's just that I have no time. Like, ang daming family ganap dito kasi Sorry, ang ingay. Umuwi din yung relatives namin galing States eh. So, akala ko magkaka-time ako after, you know, during the Christmas break sa Iloilo. Pero yeah, wala eh. Ang daming family ganap. Never ending. May Christmas party nga ngayon eh sa company namin pero hindi ako pumunta. Kinfiang na po. Omsi, wala na yung Kinsay. Kinfiang na. Di kayo updated ah. Tapos yung bagong pair ni Gel, si Sai. Di talaga kayo updated. Mga fake viewers kayo ah. Invite Sai. Chinat niya ako. Ay, oo nga. Chinat-chat niya ako kanina pa. In-invite ko na. Lagot na talaga kay Hero. Guys, hindi talaga kayo updated. Ano ba? Hi! Why are you like tampo agad?
Ako?
I know your tampo face.
How are you?
Good. Busy
Are you-
today.
You're busy.
Yeah. Ikaw ba?
I'm good.
You're good.
I'm doing
Nice
fine.
jersey.
What?
Nice jersey. Hindi lang nagpapaalam, no? Kinukuha na lang. Okay lang. Sa'yo muna. Kumusta? How was your day?
Okay naman yung day ko. Kaka-uwi ko lang from mabilis na vacay with my family. And how are you sa Iloilo?
Hindi ko na-feel na vacation kasi ang daming ganap din with family na parang hindi ko, mapahinga. But okay lang. Third week pa naman balik classes ko in
Pero you're
January. So,
Pero you're having fun naman.
yeah, I am. You know, kanina, I mean, you know naman, but nag-drop kasi si Mark ng 30K and nag-joke ako kagabi na
Wow!
like, they wanted me to say my nickname for you. And then sabi ko, drop muna kayo ng 10K. Siyempre, joke lang. Tapos nag-drop sila ng 30. So, ayun, napa-share ako tuloy ng nickname. Tapos,
Talagang para sa i-share mo talaga yung nickname.
wow, nagtatampo ah.
Dapat nga sa'yo lang yun eh. I-share mo pa sa iba.
Ano dyan, papakit ka na naman. And then they're saying na if they drop to you, then you have to reveal mine. Stop! You're trying to make pa-cute na naman. Do you have things to unbox later?
Yeah, I have.
Can I see it muna? Yeah, I love queerbaiting. Di ba? Ang saya kaya
Ano
mag-queerbait.
gusto mo makita? What do you want
Wala
to see?
akong na-receive eh.
Like, what do you want to see?
I want to see what you're gonna unbox. What? Can you unwrap it, please?
Ano no?
Can you unwrap it?
Gusto mo ba?
Gaya. Yeah! Wag ka, don't do that on live. Not on live. Okay? Please.
Okay. Okay, kasi akala ko sa live.
Ugh.
Hindi, akala ko sa live. Like,
Control yourself,
do you
please,
want me to
sir.
unwrap it? Do you want me to unwrap it?
What?
Like, do you want me to unwrap it?
Yeah. On live. Your gifts, huh? Yung gifts mo
Yung gifts pala yun.
Yeah. Get your mind out of the gutter, bro.
Sa condo mo ko na lang i-unwrap.
Hmm?
Sa condo mo na lang. Sa condo mo na lang ko i-unwrap.
Sa condo kong parang ang daming tao dun.
Pwede naman. Joke lang po.
Kasama si Gel tsaka Hero, no? Sa unwrap. Pero ano, yung i-unbox mo mamaya, galing yan sa viewers or sa pamilya mo? Like
Hindi ko
yung...
alam eh. Like, family ko?
Okay.
Hindi ko alam. May mga paper, may mga nakalista naman dito. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung kanino ka siya nang galing.
Gets. Wala
Alis
akong
ka na?
ma-unbox. Lahat ng pinadala sa akin nasa Manila. So,
Oh, that's so sad.
I'll watch na lang you unbox.
Alis ka daw?
Yeah, I have going to my lola's house pa at 12. Actually, dapat before 12 eh. I go to my lola with my cousins.
Like, I'm gonna
Yeah.
unbox my gift
I know, I'm gonna watch na lang.
later.
Yeah, 12 ka mag-unbox, di ba?
Kasi, oo.
So, totoo lang, I wanted to end na kanina, which is waiting for you. I just wanted to live with you saglit, and then, yeah. So, I'm gonna go in a bit.
Clingy right now.
Hmm?
Look who's being clingy right now.
Wag na lang. Anyway, I like your hair.
I like... Really? As in,
No, you know, I keep telling you, di ba, na that's my favorite.
yeah,
Ano?
sinunod
My
ko lang
favorite
naman.
hair.
Sinunod ko lang naman. Isa lang naman akong masunugin.
It's nice.
Really? It's nice.
Hmm?
It's nice.
Super. Pogi mo. Pogi mo, bro. Pero I'm straight,
Really?
Ba't ganun yung reaction mo? Tangka na ka. Gaba naman yung
Really ba?
reaction,
Parang
Sumigaw
ano to?
talaga.
Ano to? Two truths, one lie ba to? Ha?
Grabe naman. Support mo naman ako sa bagong identity ko. Ano ba?
Talagang two truths, one lie tayo ngayon? Ha?
Yung reaction niya. You know, I really want to live with you all night, but inaantay na ako ng cousins ko.
You really want me to lie with you all night?
Actually, wag na lang. I wanna go. Tagal mo eh.
Look who's,
Kanina pa ako live.
look who's being clingy after all.
Sino? May tao ba sa likod ko? Sino? Ikaw ba yung clingy? Ikaw ba? Siya pala.
Ikaw. No. Ba't ka clingy mo masyado? Para kang
I wanna go na.
You're gonna go na?
Yeah.
Sige, you're go na.
Are you gonna live tomorrow? Cause I'm gonna live tomorrow.
I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm gonna update you. Because we're always updating each other naman, right?
Not really. Ina-update ko si Poopy eh.
Can you stop, please? Can you stop?
Sorry po.
Can you stop, Rocky Boo, please?
Okay.
Okay.
I gotta go na. Okay?
So,
Bye. Have a
just
good
go,
unboxing.
Just go, Just go and don't leave me.
Week yung banat. Pang ano yan? Pang first month pa yan.
Kailan months na ba tayo?
Dapat mas improve na.
So, 5 months na tayo.
Magkakilala.
Okay. Okay.
Can I go? Can I go now?
Sige na, go ka na. Ganyan ka naman.
I'm gonna watch you unbox. 12 ka mag-unbox, diba? I'll join your live pag 12. I wanna see what you got.
After 12, iba na i-unbox.
So live?
Hindi, off ka.
Sige. Pwede naman sa live, basta R18 ka na lang muna. Alam mo,
Boy!
I only knew na may R18 feature pala kagabi. Hindi ko alam na may
Meron?
ganyan
Ito,
pala.
Meron?
Oo, meron. Like, you can do anything. Pwede ka
Tuwa ka naman.
Hindi. Good boy ako, ano ba?
Tuwa ka naman. Gusto mo yung mga
Oo,
ganyan.
good boy ako, ano
Gusto
ba?
mo yung may mga R18 na mga nangyayari. So in short, gusto mo.
Ayoko na magsalita dito.
Ngayon, kagabi mo lang nalaman, pero matagal mo nang gustong gawin.
Bahala ka. Alis na nga ako. Bye. I'm gonna come back. 12.
Sige na,
Bye, sir. Bye.
just message me, okay?
Respeto sa umuusad. Umuusad ka ba talaga, Hailey? Dami mong sinasabi? Pag bumalik ka dito, after 1 month, tapos sasabihin mo, hala, Waki, sorry, hindi ko kaya. Tapos balikan ako. Bahala ka, Hailey. Block kita. Tama ka na? Queer Video of the Year. Let's go! Naka-ano si in-unblock pala. Hailey, wait mo lang si Ellie mag-live. Doon ka na lang. Anyway, guys, I have to say bye to everyone now because I gotta get ready. I'm so haggard pa. Bye mga Fiangi ko. I love you. Fiang Nation forever. Queen Sofia. Thank you to Mark. Grabe ka, Mark. Thank you, Mark, Elmer, Rob, Ina, Nika, Harley, Danny, Jam, Maui, and Alex, my top 10 gifters. Lalo pa kay Mark. Grabe ka. Ayan, alam niyo na kung sino si Poopy. Bella also calls Sai Poopy nga, actually. Yeah, Harley. I'll unbox it when I get back. Guys, mag-unboxing tayo pagbalik ko Pasensya, I couldn't, syempre, I can't, have it shipped here. But yeah, I will see you guys soon. Ingat, have a good end of the year. Kung may asikasuhin pa kayo before the year ends, gawin nyo na. Leave all the negativity, all the bad relationships, fake friendships, toxic patterns in 2024. Let's leave it in 2024 para we can all start 2025 positive and fresh start, better mindset tayo. 2025, guys. This is just the beginning. Ang dami pang eras that we're gonna witness together. So yeah, I'm so excited for the new year. Sana kayo din. Mark, I love you. Na sinusupport mo talaga ako to kill my lungs. I love you. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow sa Kinsay Awards night. Punta kayo. Okay? I'll see you there. I love you. Peace out. Mouth straight. Bye.